Are you tired of the cable, the clutter, and the wires? Well, on today's video, we have this Boho Rattan Entertainment Center. This elegant design includes detailed instructions, labeled parts, and spare hardware for simple step-by-step assembly, and it is built with CARB EPA certified wood and reinforced support legs. This TV stand safely holds TVs up to 60 inches and supports up to 50 pounds. With its compact yet spacious design at 53 by 15 by 20, the low-profile design fits perfectly in apartments, living rooms, bedrooms, or those entertainment spaces. With built-in cord management holes, they keep the wires organized and hidden, creating a clean and clutter-free entertainment setup. And the center shelf adjusts to 3 different heights. You can easily store media, players, speakers, or those gaming consoles that we all know and love. This Rattan TV stand also provides a spacious and sturdy base for flat screen or curved TV. It also supports wall-mounted TVs as well, like you see in the video. More than just a TV stand, you can use it as a media console, storage cabinet, or a decorative centerpiece for your living room. This beautiful, elegant design can do it all, and that was the Boho Rattan Entertainment Center. Pick yours up today.